we threw some bird seed down. You can see it right there, and some in the feeder. And we're sitting here waiting for birds. We will get one. And we put our hoods up so we could hide, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta be quiet now. I'll press pause when a bird comes. So it's been about maybe 45 minutes, and we're still sitting still and patient.
I want to throw a floor, Daddy.
Okay, yeah, lay down, but you gotta hide, okay? Okay. Press pause when we hear something else again.
I hear a floor.
You do? It's been another hour, nothing. So we've been out here for an hour and 45 minutes sitting still waiting. That's a long time. It's been another half an hour. Nothing yet. We're just both laying here. We just want one to come down. What? I'll let you try. We'll try back to you in a minute. 2 more hours went by and nothing. You just farted.
At the birdie.
That's why they're not coming, because you're farting.
Oh.
Okay, so we give up now.